Hi guys, my name is Nancy and I would be presenting to you or discussing the roles of a system analyst. And I think throughout the course we have come to understand that the system analyst is one of the most critical roles in any software evaluation or new software development. So we have come to also understand that they bridge the gap between the business units and the technical units as well, because they make sure that okay, one, they understand what the business is about and what the business requirements are, and they also make sure that the system or the technical infrastructures and models exist to support whatever business goals we would like to achieve or a specific company would like to achieve. Now, I would also say that one of their major roles in terms of the projects of this semester will be the fact that they are the team that will gather the documents and document what the requirements are for each team in the project team. So they'll probably be defining the functional and the non-functional details or specifications of the project. And one important thing that they also do is to use either use a case diagram to show how the system interacts with various users and what each function of the system also presents. I think they would either use a case diagram or a sequence diagram to also illustrate the process flow, which will be the step-by-step flow. So in the case of an insurance, a case diagram will show how the agents interact with the quote prediction system, which is a software. Along the line, we also developed a sequence diagram to depict or to show the event from what happens with a customer when a customer puts in a request, what the processes it goes through before a quote is predicted. And so a system analyst would basically ensure that there is a smooth flow between software developers, the operational team who would necessarily be testing the models as and when it comes out, depending on which software lifecycle methodology you use. In the case where I adopted the agile, you would realize that they would ensure that whatever has been designed or developed comes back to the operational team for it to be tested. So mainly their major concern is to ensure that clear goals are set. In the case of the project that I did this semester, the goal was to be able to model a machine learning system which will give an accurate quote which was highly which was to be highly accepted by a client on its first issuance. So we were looking at, first of all, if a client made a request or put in a claim, it would go through the verification process. We will gather the customer's history over the time and what the present claim says and put it through a machine learning system or a machine learning model. And we believe that, or the goal of the project was to ensure that one, the machine learning system was ensuring the quote was accurate, and also we were issuing a claim that the customer was likely to accept. So I think the role of the the system analyst is very critical to ensure that there is efficiency and there is enough security, and it also aligns with the business strategy. So yes, thank you very much for your time.